Welcome back to Woodworking TV. Today, we'll follow a carpenter on a project to build a multifunctional wooden house made from pallets, incorporating a utility shed and an outdoor kitchen on a steep hillside next to an existing structure. Will this sturdy construction be successfully completed? Let's begin. The builder uses a steel shovel to level and clear the steep hillside using a spirit level, and string lines tied to wooden stakes to determine the precise elevation and prevent future foundation settlement. To prevent erosion and stabilize the foundation, the builder lays down white geotextile fabric in the sloped pit, pours in construction sand, and repeatedly tamps it down with a heavy log to create a highly stable base. He aligns precast concrete blocks as load. Bury footings use a spirit level along the layout string lines, ensuring the cabin support structure is perfectly level on the challenging sloped terrain. The builder places reclaimed wooden pallets onto the concrete footings to serve as a load, bury floor, then uses a cordless screwdriver to securely fasten the joints between them, eliminate any flexing when walked upon. To construct the rough wall framing, the builder erects sturdy pallets vertically and uses an impact driver to securely anchor the base of the walls to the load, bury wooden subfloor. climbs a ladder to adjust the pallet A-frame roof truss. Use a chainsaw to trim off protruding wood to ensure the roof rafters fit together as precisely and securely as possible. The builder installs natural woods, siding onto the exterior walls with screws. Then trims and smooths the bottom edge of the door with a handheld grinder before securing the hinges to the door frame. To expand the shed, the builder uses a chainsaw to trim excess pallet beams, then measures and screws horizontal wood planks on the pallet wall to reinforce the structural rigidity of the frame. The builder cuts rusted metal bars off an old window frame using an angle grinder, then uses an A-frame gantry and a chain hoist system to carefully guide and seat the large glass window frame into the shed opening. To ensure complete waterproofing, he climbs onto the roof to lay down a thick brack waterproof tarp, then clears away wood scraps using a shovel and a wheelbarrow on the sloped yard. The builder sets up hollow concrete blocks to lay down additional wooden pallets for the extended floor, then installs wooden purlins on the shed roof frame to prepare for the weatherproofing layer. Operating a backup generator, the builder uses a screwdriver to cure the copper wires inside a white outlet box and runs gray protective conduit along the cabin's wooden ceiling. To build the outdoor kitchen, he measures the stainless steel sink, uses a handsaw to cut an opening in the wooden pallet countertop, and pulls rusted nails from old timber to reclaim them for the framing. builder uses an impact driver to fasten the countertop, installs brass-colored folding hinges, and sands the surface smooth with a handheld sander to prevent splinters. The builder installs floorboards and uses a cordless drill to secure a large pallet wall to the cabin, creating a draft-tight enclosure before proceeding to the waterproofing stage. To prevent moisture from penetrating the wooden frame, he uses a pneumatic staple gun to wrap the cabin's exterior walls with a BRAC HDP waterproofing membrane. The builder carefully moves a dark brown cast iron wood stove from his pickup truck bed in the corner of the room, providing an efficient heating source for the cabin. He screws vertical wood siding boards onto the exterior of the shed, then uses a chainsaw to trim old floor pallets to clear the workspace and reinforce the roof joists. The builder trims excess siding with a chainsaw, pries out old nails with a crowbar, and hangs gray drywall sheets over the interior pallet wall frames. Using a mud mixer attachment on his drill, he blends the joint compound. Then use a trowel and metal putty knife to smooth out the drywall joints for a flat, seamless finish. after using a handheld sander to smooth the dried drywall compound. The builder rolls on a coat of white primer with an extension pole roller to clean up the interior look. He fits white EPIS insulation boards between the floor joists, covers them with OSB sheets cut with a circular saw, and secures them tightly with an impact driver while finishing the installation of a metal chimney pipe through the wall. Berry post and beam system, a dry moisture barrier, and a clean line movement. The hillside cabin is now complete. The craftsman has successfully optimized its functionality, delivering a sustainable and long-lasting space. Share your thoughts and thus Pallet construction solution in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next journey.